Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are building a 96% kind of full size keyboard. I feel a lot better now, but I still have a little cough lingering, so I might not talk as much as I normally would. So my apologies on that. So if you hear coughing, I'm so sorry. Okay, we're just gonna unbox this key. So what you see here is I already have ordered something similar like this before, but then there's a funny story to that I'll tell later. But I actually I could technically be fast, but wait, does it not want to come out? Oh, no, might as well. Actually, it's gonna take me 10 years, not gonna lie. But so we have the Echo. I believe these are the linear switches. I believe. I have to look it up because I ordered some missed switches lately. I don't even remember what I ordered. And the color we have for this build this time is a gradient, actually, red gradient. So that's what we're gonna work on today. I don't know if you see, but I did Princess on my lap. Unbox them. That's gonna take me 10 years, I feel like. I just realized, so the last video that I uploaded for the coffee kitty video keyboard, I realized the video was a lot shorter. The reason is because I wasn't talking, apparently. I used to be able to multitask really well, but I'm afraid not anymore. So video that I'm yapping, excuse me, video that I'm yapping is a lot longer. So, but hopefully maybe the more video I do of this, the better I get, probably, maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'm a bit better at it. I'll be able to multitask in the future and do a 30-minute video and still yapping and talking. I want to be authentic, you know. That's why I don't want to edit out a whole lot of video. I'll do a full build length. See the whole process of it. If I'd be efficient enough, to be honest, probably per video should be 30 minutes instead of an hour. And if I'm better, not yap too much. Well, I can still yap, but I could probably have a focus better when I yap. Okay, so that's done. Now we're gonna open up the switches here. Yeah, all these are brand new. Well, yeah, it is brand new because I ordered them, but I have not opened them and stuff. So you know, we're doing this all recording or first time, I guess. I keep trying to say live, but it's not live. Yes. Oh shit! Sorry, princess. She's on my lap. You guys may not see her, but she's on my lap. I hope the red is good. Hold on. Why am I struggling to open this? Good lord, help me. Ooh, okay, look at this red. It's actually really nice. And I do really prefer side print. This actually has been my favorite thing. What happened to the cap there? Did it fell? Oh, is it? Maybe not. No cap there. Should be fine. That should be fine. I feel like Gloria is eventually gonna sponsor me. All this barebone that I'm getting from them. I have bought so many barebone from Gloria's keyboard. It's crazy. The struggle of opening this. Why am I not have like a box cutter or something? Oh, you know, I'm just dumb. I'm just dumb. Don't mind me. This could have done, but you know, I like to go the struggle way apparently. So, this one is just a black versions of the Christmas one. They are very similar style. So as you see, yes, it's very similar to the Christmas one. So nothing crazy. I'm sorry, baby girl. If Gloria's ever watched my video, or their social media manager or whatever, shit, sponsor me. Well, I'm not there yet, I've been a subscriber, but you know, I will be there eventually. I just have to keep at it, right? Keep at it. I will be there. Oh. Interesting. Some people come with the little things to tell me where the keycap goes. Some don't. I don't know. But sometimes I feel like I built enough. I should know, but I don't feel like I do. So let me just have to go to Google image on this. That's okay. I'm putting too much work into the damn box. Excuse me. Alright, let's start this. Okay, don't need the scissor anymore, so put it in. Let's see. So two pins. And make sure the pin line up correctly before you know. Break anything, of course. Okay, not facing up. Perfect. Oh yeah, so the funny story is when I first starting my YouTube channel, putting out the keyboard, I actually, for some reason, in my head, I don't know why, the math was the mathing in my head. I literally bought one set of, so I bought the keycap, excuse me, I bought the keycap, and I think yeah, so like you see the Blackpink one, that's my first keyboard. So I bought the keycap for that, and I bought one set of switches, and I was like, okay, that should be good. The day of it recording, that's why I got delayed to, delay starting my queue. The day I was going to record, I realized that, oh, I sit there counting the key, like as up with the box, I literally counting key. I'm like, wait, it's only come with 30 switches. I have like 70 some keycap. I was like, that's not enough. I was like going 80 because you want to have extra, so that in case of switches wasn't working or bent or whatever, So my stupid ass was like, I can't believe myself. I did not do the math correctly. So okay, yeah, I feel like some key gonna have issues, so we'll so new idea I just starting to think is, I will have I have started to have more ideas as I making video, is I probably will start maybe do some review keyboard video here and there, maybe 10-15 minutes of it, not too crazy. Maybe do a review video, because I do find some keyboard that on like websites and stuff that are actually really cool. I would love to review it, unboxing, reviewing it. So with my own money, it'd be nice. Once I get to sponsor level, it'd be nice. But we'll get there when we get there. Yeah, if you see her fur, she's like right here. She's laying on my lap, so this is the princess. She's having a lot of attitude earlier to me. Now I have like so many spare switches, I don't know what to do. I might cut like few minutes off like a first part, because I was struggling open boxes for my life for some reasons, and yeah, not sure. Ooh, I can probably, could they be calling sunsets a volcano? I don't know, maybe volcano because it is red. I don't know. I just think of volcano gradient color. Ooh, that does sounds pretty cool. We would love that. And oh yeah, I also recently started a Instagram account for my YouTube channel. I will probably link it there eventually. I'm still like uploading pictures and stuff and manage social media sometimes, and I'm still figuring out on the Facebook side how to do that, and then also creating short. That's kind of like my plan. More social media present, that's the idea about this. So ASMR. Yeah, I definitely have a little bit more energy compared to a few weeks ago. It was not fun, y'all. It was not fun being sick. I'm still slowly, surely getting better. Look at that. I just realized keyboard black on black. I just realized that. The gradient red. Man, what was that? I wish I could like visualize thing. Would be nice. Sometimes I just order it and then I try to visualize it in my head. I was like, it look good. But I mean, it's still gonna look good when it turn out. Not gonna doubt this for sure. Okay, so not bad. I have like 3 boxes of Panda switches. I'm still thinking of the idea for my next keyboard. I don't know what I want to build yet. Like, I don't want to do like too much of a cutesy one, but I also want to do like something cool. Make sure to stay all the way down. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you get. I may have a lot of spare key. I might have bought extra one too many of this. I might buy. Ah, man, my sense of math sometimes is so off. I'll have like way too many. I think 2 boxes should be more than enough. You never know. I might buy another box just for the next keyboard. Maybe build another small one. I don't know. Oh yeah, so you know, one of my good friend, actually I went and hang out with them earlier today. He actually got me a very awesome, amazing gift. I actually show it at the end of the video, but I'm so excited to use it. I mean, I'll maybe do a little unboxing toward the end, I guess. But yeah, why not, right? So awesome. Oh yeah, also randomly too. I don't know, is it just me or like somebody else too? But any of you guys do. But whenever like I found a show that I really like, I just cannot sit and watch one episode. I just always end up have to like, you know, sit and binge watching the whole thing. And sometimes sacrifice sleep to like finish it. I'll watch like 5 episodes, even on Netflix, Hulu, whatever, I don't care. Like I'll watch like 5 episodes of it and then stay up late and that's, you know, cliffhanger. If it's like okay, and then the part of it's like, oh, okay, it's fine, you can skip. But if it's have a cliffhanger, it's like, oh my god, I'm gonna sacrifice sleep to watch this. And I've done that a few times, which is certainly not smart, you know. From the sound of when I'm pressing down, I can tell that it definitely is some. We're gonna have to QA to fix those switches for sure. We'll get there. We'll get there. I can tell. Anyway, but yeah, like the recent show that I found was like I wouldn't say recent, but like Discovery of Witches. That was like a really good show. So I was like binge watch the shit out of it. God, I finished that show in less than a week. Not even less than a week, like 3 days. Oh my god, I'm trying to be gentle with this. Get everything flank. Oh shit. Okay, that's not what we wanted, but that's okay. Okay, so let's go from red top to. Oh, sorry, baby girl. Not mean to scare you. Okay, there we go. Maybe I can bend it back. Okay, that's fine. That works. Doesn't sound too bad, I say. God, the red is so pop out on the camera. I love it. So the reason I like side print a lot too, you know, like how we type, our hands sweat and stuff. So, you know, sometimes you see the keyboard slowly fading away. So side print actually prevent that from happening, which is really great thing about side print. Oh, shoot. Okay. You know, once I like fix up my or reorganize my office and stuff, I can't wait to show up, you know, take a picture of it and post it on my Instagram, of course, like my keyboard collection, what I have built so far anyway. I'm excited to show that off. Yeah, definitely linear. Yeah, it sounds linear. It's definitely not tactile, but I think that should be okay. I personally prefer more tactile. I don't know why I keep picking linears, which is... Oh, never mind, because I bought this a long time ago and I don't want to sit it and way past the return date. So I was like, I mean, some people like linear, some people like tactile, some people like clicky. Yeah, the Christmas when I built that was the clicky one. That's when it's like the whole neighborhood can hear what you're typing, what you're searching on Google. Oh, and you know, if you like the content so far, definitely give us a like, a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. You will help me out a lot, help out this channel out a lot. That'd be amazing. And you'll greatly appreciate whoever watched the video and support me, of course. So, like the video, please do so. I really think about go back to streaming. I mean, lately I've been really obsessed with Marvel Rival. That's what I've been playing a lot. It's been super fun. I'm thinking about streaming that again. I'm no like, you know, super expert in any game by any mean. Just a casual gamer enjoying, and maybe I stream it, but let's see. When it doesn't stream the game, we can, you know, can chit chat and stuff like that. Wouldn't be bad, you know. Or maybe I can just stream an hour of doing this, like an hour or two doing this. Not be a bad idea either. But then if that's the case, I can only stream that like once every. Once every 2 weeks. Yeah, once every 2 weeks, maybe. Yeah. I'm thinking. Now I think about it. Probably once every 2 weeks. Let's see. So this right here. I'm trying to be efficient, but that's most likely a 45-minute video. Me yapping, me talking. Apparently, I can multitask. Just show it. I thought I could, not like I used to be. Because I used to work at Starbucks, you know. I multitask. Those who work at Starbucks, you guys know. Used to work at Starbucks or whatever. You know. Make like 1 or 2 drinks. No, 2, 3 drinks at one. Multitasking and stuff. Yeah, I used to work at Starbucks for a year and a half. It's a fun time. It's a fun time. With a lot of good people there. I'm liking how this turned out actually. Because of the gradient. I love gradient color. I don't know why. I find it just a cool color to have. to spread out? No, probably not. No, there we go. Just a little press. Okay, should be okay. Like a darker red kind of shape. I love gradient color. You probably will see more gradient color for on my channel a lot. I prefer unique looking bare boned. So hard to find those, I swear. So this ship is too big, so that's not gonna work. So we'll have to flip over and check the other. So far, it's looking really nice. You can see. It should look really cool. I love it. This might not work. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to unfortunately switch out the alt button. This one too. I believe these need to be the small. Oh, yeah, a little bit too wide. Space, I can tell. Okay, that's okay. To this side, we're gonna find what works for us, you know. I'm trying to be gentle so all this keycap doesn't fly everywhere. Oh, this is such an awkward thing. Maybe do this. There we go. Yeah, so that was in the spot of the camera. Okay, so we're gonna fix that. We'll fix it. No word, don't you worry. We'll make this complete look better. That's not the right. I just go see eye doctor. My eyes are at best. Okay, so there's the alt button. Where's the control? Okay, there's the control here. I should get those like a unique looking. Sorry, it's like I have to look extremely close to really see what I'm looking for. God, I am like blind sometimes, I swear. Even a super bright red. I'm a mess, yo. I believe this should be delete, but I can find the delete one somewhere. Okay. I believe this is a volume button, but I have to find out. Let's do the number. Oh yeah, the arrow button. I'm such a mess. This is different from full size, so 0 will be down here. And then the period button, or the dot. There we go. God, I have to hold this up. I'm so bad. My eyesight. Okay. Maybe I did the better lighting. I have to upgrade my studio or my office / studio, I guess. Hey, maybe it's still 30 minutes. I'm almost done with this. Maybe I could. Why was that struggle before? I don't know. I don't know. That's a plus sign. Down right. Oh yeah, and a shift. That's what I need. This is a shift. No, this is the shift. This. Yes, this is also this shift. There we go. Okay, no worry, there'll be a video of this for doing more sound tests. I do believe these are 3 sound buttons. I believe it is. So I don't quite sure, to be honest. I wonder if there's a different button. I wonder, because this is a little bit awkward. That this is not bright color. That may drive me a little bit crazy there. Which one is this? Print. I'm so blind, yo. I cannot even see. That's a scroll. I am okay. There's a scroll here. No, that's supposed to be delete. That should be better. Delete option button. Word thingy and escape. Maybe not. Because I know with the Christmas one, they give like all filter stuff. I don't know if they filter, but the different button options. I might. Not too out of the place. I will have to test out what key is this anyway, so I can fix it. But yeah, there it is. Keyboard. I've completed within less than 40 minutes. I actually completed while yapping, talking. Yeah, I can do it. We can actually plug this in to take a look and see what it looks like. Don't worry, it'll be like a whole video of this doing the sound test and QA. So don't you worry. You give me a glorious key. I don't want to. They ain't giving me no damn money. They're not sponsoring me. Why do I want a little keycap from them? Maybe when they sponsor me, then I'll put a little keycap on them. But right now, no. Maybe when they sponsor. I don't want to use too much, I think. Hold on, wrong side. Yeah. Don't worry, this will be cut so that way you can just see the. The reason I don't want to do a lot of editing too is because I want this to be authentic as possible, you know, so that way you can see from the beginning to the end how the keyboard is being done. I can't even plug things in the USB correctly, I swear. The struggle of my life. I know you can see it, but it's actually not bad. I need just to figure out how the oh. Yeah. Don't worry about this, second video that will test everything and maybe look at changing the lighting, the RGB of it. I can see the light, it's just not super bright as it should, you know. There's a lot of RGB. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. You know, please don't forget like and subscribe, and leave a comment. Anything, you hate it, you like it, you love it, whatever, leave a comment. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, yeah, definitely leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you and see ya. Peace.